Valentine's Day is a great time to start a print-on-demand business. As the new year has just started, people all over the world are considering how they may improve their performance in the coming year. A new year, a new outlook, a new you, nothing could be more enticing, seductive, or attractive. People are more interested than ever in anything that is made to order. That is one of the reasons why print-on-demand is so successful. If you've been waiting for the right time to start an e-commerce business, the right time has come to open your store. In this video, we will discuss why Valentine's Day is an excellent time to launch your print-on-demand business. And at the end, we are going to share with you our full Valentine's Day marketing strategy guide for 2022. In 2020, we saw a significant increase in expenditure, with an average of $196 per person and a total of $27.4 billion spent. People were still going out on romantic dinner dates and participating in other Valentine's Day activities. Our expenditures decreased by 20% in 2021, with a total expenditure of $21.8 billion as the COVID-19 epidemic continued to spread over the planet. And this is due to the fact that we spent most of our time at home and celebrated at home, sharing love from a comfortable and secure distance. Although we noticed a tiny decrease in spending on Valentine's Day, the general trend shows that individuals are spending more and more on the holiday every year. The same principles apply when preparing for Valentine's Day traffic as when preparing for any other major retail event. Start early to attract the attention of your customers. Conduct a keyword optimization campaign geared toward the most popular search trends in order to effectively sell your store's offerings. For example, by producing designs for matching sweatshirts, cell phone covers, and other accessories, you may capitalize on the popularity of hearts, better halves, and other relevant romantic search trends. In order to attract buyers' attention with rich and relevant descriptions, one of the most effective marketing methods is to keep your title tags and keywords updated. In conclusion, a big event like Valentine is always a booster for opening new stores to catch the online traffic hype during that period. We have compiled a list of the most innovative Valentine's Day marketing strategies for print-on-demand in 2022. Click the link in the description to know more about the detailed marketing strategy and be ready for Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching.